Microsoft Dynamics AX 2009 provides reporting functionality using Visual Studio Reporting Services or Morphex reporting tools. Morphex reporting tools are also available in earlier versions of Microsoft Dynamics AX. This video demonstrates how to create a report using Morphex reporting tools. In this demonstration, we will create two tables. Our report will display desired information from these tables. Open the AOT, navigate to the Tables node, and create a new table. Right-click the new table, and then click Properties. Name this table Employee. The Employee table will have 4 fields, all of type string. Employee ID, first name, last name, and department ID. For the last name field, set the string size property to 25 to allow for names up to 25 characters. Create another table called Department. Add 3 fields, all of type string. Department ID, department name, and location. Set the string size property of the department name and location fields to 25. Next, populate the tables with data. In the AOT, right-click the Employee table and then click Open. Press the New Line button or click Ctrl-N to add a new line. Perform the same step for the department table. Notice the department ID field is in both tables. The department ID is the key that ties these two tables together. To create the report, right-click Reports in the AOT. Name the report in the Properties sheet. In the AOT, expand the Employee Report node, expand the Data Sources node, expand the Query node, right-click the Nested Data Sources node, and then click New Data Source. In the Property sheet, specify the Employee table as the data source. Right-click the Data Sources node that is nested below the new Employee data source, and then click New Data Source. In the Property sheet, specify the Department table as the data source. To define the relationship between the two tables, navigate to the New Department Data Source node, right-click Relations, and then click New Relation. Identify the department ID as the field that links the two tables. The department ID is the primary key of the department table and the secondary key of the employee table. To limit the data that is returned in the report, navigate to the department data source, right-click Ranges, and then click New Range. In the property sheet, specify that we want a report of employees who work from Fargo, North Dakota. To specify the order in which the data is displayed in the report, navigate to the employee data source, right-click Order By, and then click New Field. In the property sheet, indicate that we want the information displayed according to the last name of the employee in ascending order. To create a design for the report, navigate to the Employee Report node, right-click Designs, and then click New Report Design. For this demo, we will use a generated design. Right-click the new design, and then click Generate Design. Navigate to the Body Department Body node, right-click the Body Department Body node, point to New Control, and then click Field from Employee. Drag the employee ID, first name, and last name fields to the Body Department Body node. Perform the same step to select the department ID, department name, and location from the department data source. To view the report, right-click the employee report, and then click Open. Notice that employees from the engineering department are not included because the engineering department is not in Fargo, North Dakota. For more information, see the product documentation or visit the Microsoft Dynamics AX Development Center online.